Hello friends, welcome back on my channel. If you are visiting first time, then please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press notification bell. If you like this video, please do click like button and share it with your friends. Thanks for your support. So guys, let's learn something new today. So guys, today we are going to discuss pointers versus references in C++ 11 or 14. What is pointers? Pointer is a variable that holds a memory addresses, while a reference has the same memory address as the item it references. So pointer uses asterisk and arrow operator for creation purpose and for dereferencing purpose, while reference use and operator and dot operator for creation and using dereferencing purpose, or you can say accessing some member variable if you are creating object as a reference. A pointer to a class or structure uses arrow operator to access its member. A pointer need to be dereferenced with asterisk to access the memory location it points to, whereas as I said, reference can be used directly. A reference can't be null while pointer can be. So there is no such thing as a null reference. A reference must always refer to some object. As a result, if you have a variable whose purpose is to refer to another object, but it is possible that there might not be an object to refer to, you should make the variable a pointer because you can set it to null. On the other hand, if the variable must always refer to an object, example, if your design does not allow for the possibility that the variable is null, you should probably make the variable as reference. You can see one example in this slide. We can declare int star ptr is equal to 0. That is perfectly fine because pointer can be null. And in second line, what I'm doing, I'm creating a reference and I'm creating a reference with a pointer. So compiler will not give you any error. This is compiler can pass it, but you should not write such kind of code because the result are undefined. It could be a disaster for your code. And second example, when you will create empty reference, your compiler will give error. The references must be initialized. In second example, I'm creating int I10. So I have created one integer. Now I'm creating one reference based on this integer, so that is perfectly fine. So we have seen that how we can create pointer with null, and we can't create empty references. Now, so no need to test the validity of a reference because there is no such thing as a null reference. Implies that it can be more efficient to use reference than to use pointers. That is because there is no need to test the validity of a reference before using it. To suppose if you have a function and you are passing a reference as a parameter, then you don't need to test any validity check, so you can improve your code in performance because you are avoiding the null check. But in case of pointers, you should always tested it against the null because it can be null. Another important difference between pointer and reference is that pointers may be reassigned to refer to different objects. A reference, however, always refers to the object with which it is initialized. You should use a pointer whenever you need to take into account that the possibility that there is nothing to refer, or whenever you need to be able to refer to different things at different times. You should use a reference whenever you know there will always be an object to refer to, and you also know that once you are referring to that object, you will never want to refer to anything else. Take an example. Here I have created two strings s1 and s2. Now I am creating another reference variable with s1. So rs reference variable refers to s1. Now I have created one pointers with s1. So my pointer points to s1. Now what I am doing, rs is equal to s2. So rs still refers to s1, but s1's value is now Johnny. In case of pointer, when we will do ps is equal to ampersand s2, ps now points to s2 and s1 is unchanged. Pointers can use plus plus operator with pointer. So guys, we can use arithmetic operations on pointers with plus plus or minus minus operators. Take an example. I have created one array arr5 is equal to, and we have 5 values, and I am doing int star ptr is equal to arr, and now I'm doing ptr plus plus, so it will give me the second element of my array. Here second point is references can be used in operator overloading. So this is the most common example in operator overloading of bracket operator. This operator typically needs to return something that can be used as a target of assignment. Take an example. I have created a vector integer of size 10. Now I am doing v bracket 5 is equal to 10. If operator bracket returned a pointer, this statement would have been written this way: star v bracket 5 is equal to 10. But this makes it look like v is a vector of pointers, which is not. For this reason, you will almost always want operator bracket to return the references. So final conclusion is that references then are the feature of choice. So when you know you have something to refer to, when you will never want to refer to do something else, and when implementing operators whose syntactic requirements make the use of pointers undesirable. In all other cases, stick with pointers. Thank you for watching this video. Please encourage me by subscribing this channel. If you like this video, then please like and share it with your friends. If you want me to create a video on a particular topic, please comment for it. Thank you so much.